how to download and install hi5 app. So if you want to download and install hi5 app on your Android device, then first of all check your internet connection and then open up your Play Store or your App Store and go for the search bar, which is on the upper side, and then search for hi5, and here you will have the application. So simply tap on that install button, and after tapping on that install, it will start installing or it will start downloading on your device. So it may take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download, and once it's downloaded, you can simply tap on open button, which is on the right side. Simply tap on that open, and now you can continue with your Google, or you can log into your account or create your account. So that's it. That's how you download and install hi5 app on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.